So hi guys, welcome sa akin channel, your boy JRP. So ngayong araw na yan, magre-react tayo sa isang video about gaano kagaling si Mike Tyson. Yeah! Yung sobrang delikado na fighter. Yun. Parang isang suntok lang, magwawakas ang buhay mo eh. So magre-react tayo dito sa video na ito, bro. So without further ado, let's get it on.
Came out of prison. Remember that? Dude, he was prison jacked. That was like maybe the scariest Tyson ever. Like they finally released him.
Yung katawan niya ngayon, yung katawan niya na yun, galing pala siya ng preso. Nakulong pala tong si Tyson eh.
After what Mike Tyson claims was a false conviction, he spent 3 long years in prison cells.
When he was released from
3 taon siya sa prison, bro. Ano kaya naging kaso ni Tyson, no?
prison, this man became even bigger than life. When most people are down and headed in the wrong direction, he became more famous.
Mothering the most ruthless version of Mike Tyson straight out of prison.
Kung si Tyson pupunta ng kulungan, parang parang automatic siya ng boss doon, no? Kasi sino ba naman ang papalag ka Mike Tyson doon? Sino ba naman ang a-under sa kanya doon? Naku po, baka ma-hook sila, isang hook lang, tapos
Up-and-coming boxer Peter McNeely was the first to stand in the way of newly freed Iron Mike and brazenly let his tongue loose.
I'm Hurricane Peter McNeely from Medfield, Mass. On Saturday night, watch me kick Tyson's ass.
Yun talaga ng mga ng mga promo ng taga-Amerika, no? Kailangan magyabang ka para makaano ka ng mga viewers, no? Kailangan i-trash talk mo yung mo, mga opponents mo, kung sino ang kalaban mo, i-trash talk mo. Yan.
Mike Tyson!
Sinaway niyang kamera.
McNeely!
Finally, the day of legalized homicide for Tyson was there in the moment.
Tingnan niyo yung mata ni Mike Tyson, bro. Parang kakainin ka ng buhay, bro. Alam mo pa lang, baka na agad. Uy!
McNeely unsuccessfully attempted to try and hide the damage by walking it off.
Seconds into the fight, McNeely on the canvas.
Parang yung kalaban niya dito, parang binuhos na niya agad, no? Wala nang intro, sapak agad. Parang siya, parang may ninervyos tong kalaban niya, bro. Kasi siguro naisip niya na hindi talaga niya matatalo si Tyson, kasi during this time parang undefeated pa si Tyson ito, at saka nakakatakot talaga siya eh.
Tyson seeming to just hang back there waiting for that one shot. He isn't moving and he's letting McNeely get away with an awful lot of power.
1 minute gone by. McNeely's already been down.
Oh, napaka-dirty, bro. Buti na lang hindi si Tyson. Ang dito kay Tyson, hindi siya pikon. Di ba?
But there is simply no covenant between man and lion. From now, it was a death sentence.
Mills Lane and stop that nonsense because they were starting to butt heads. Oh,
Tyson with a left up, but down goes McNeely again. McNeely wins this time, Steve. He's very hurt. He can barely stand.
Sobrang akma yung sound effect na baril, no, sa kamao ni Mike Tyson. Kaya nga siya tinawag na Iron Mike Tyson. Sobrang tong lakas nitong Mike.
Realizing Tyson's ill intentions, the cornerman jumped in to save his protege.
It's too bad, yes. At first it appeared as if
Sabi ng corner niya, okay na yun, boy. Baka mapahamak ka pa. Makikita rin sa mata ng corner niya na ay, hindi talaga eh.
What did you personally think of the stoppage?
Well, eventually he would have got hurt. As you know, I'm a blood man. I like to finish it.
Next in line was Frank the bodybuilder Bruno, a powerhouse as rumors had it. He
Bodybuilder.
had secretly undergone a procedure to replace his hands with torpedoes.
Malakas tong sunod ah.
I commend you. You came out very well, and I'm very impressed. Thank you very much. I think you're a great man.
Thank you. Same to you, Mike.
Bruno and Mike were old sparring partners and also buddies outside the
okay.
gym. Nevertheless, sensing Tyson's at his weakest,
Sparring partner pala sila. Kaya baka may idea na rin tong kalaban niya kung paano lalabanan
Bruno's
si Mike.
attitude changed in an instant.
On this fight, it's mine not conditioned for this fight, and I was confident before all this happened, and I think this is a peak time to beat a Mike Tyson Harry.
I see myself.
Grabe yung mata ni Mike Tyson mo talaga. Yung aura niya, grabe.
Of knocking out Mike Tyson spectacularly, knocking him out. No way he's going to beat me. No way. It's quite simple. A guy from England is coming to whip his
English
ass.
pa.
It's quite simple, Charlie.
Meanwhile, betrayed Tyson decided to keep it to himself until the fight.
But I can't wait for the fight. I wish the fight was tomorrow. But I don't want to get. I do too.
I'm gonna take it as it comes. I'm just looking forward to it. He's talking about he wish it was today or yesterday. Boy, don't he know.
Frank Bruno Mike Tyson. Frank Bruno with the bodybuilder's physique, 27 pounds heavier, almost 4 inches taller.
Parang alam mo ng kalalabasan mo. Iihawin lang to.
But Tyson didn't buy into all that size, and like a Star Wars character, avoided gunfire with ease.
Every time he comes in, he's an old. That's his first when he felt the steam. Goes Wayne. Tyson's people wanted to bob and roll, be less of a target. It's a nice effort. And anytime, oh, here comes.
Kada suntok bro, parang may intensyon na tapusin yung buhay talaga eh. Grabe yung pagka ano ng suntok niya, yung sound pa lang. Parang may tumama ng ano, kung ano.
Tyson with a combination. Oh, left hook by Mike Tyson, flush on the face of Frank Bruno. Another left.
God.
Really, you can't fix it, Jim. It was never great to begin with. A left hook by Tyson, but Bruno comes.
Realizing the true colors, old friend was now trying to butter Tyson up.
Close to his feet. And Bruno doesn't have the foot speed. Difference to a punch if he's just worried about holding.
While Tyson wasn't letting the snake around him.
What Bruno expected. He said he's not looking for the Tyson to foot because of the mountains. Here's a combination uppercut by Tyson. Tyson laying it on, pouring it on. Down goes Bruno into the ropes.
Kung ano-ano ang round na yun, kung pinagpatuloy yun, baka madisgrasya yung kalaban niya. Grabe, para siyang hinampas ng kung ano bro.
And it is all over. It is all over. Champion of the world, Iron Mike Tyson.
Champ, one last question. Bruce Seldon, is he next?
Whoever's next, I'm
Bruce, you want Bruce or anybody?
I'll fight anybody Don King put in front of me.
So was Seldon next. A newly crowned WBA champion Bruce Seldon, taking what was once Tyson's possession,
Itong
he
nasa
wasn't
gitna.
willing to.
Yung nasa gitna na lalaki, parang si ano yun eh, Don King. Para siyang si Bob Arum, yung ano, promoter ni Pacquiao pa. Ang ganun, promoter din siya ni ano, promoter siya ni Mike Tyson.
Give it
sa panahon
away
ito.
freely.
He didn't cover up, and Seldon rightly jumped right on. And another chopping right.
Seldon had that jab he was so confident of.
Wow, that's a good jab. He has a good jab. Well, I respect it. That's good. No, I'm killed him. Do my best.
Tyson Seldon. To bring them together, here we go, round one.
As always, Tyson's game plan was the worst kept secret. Straight up manslaughter.
Bruce has used that jab into the eye of the storm to get to Mike Tyson. That's with the right hook to 10.
Stand straight up there. Now that's not.
Oh, down goes Bruce Seldon.
Please lang yun ha.
High on the head,
Punch
right?
high in the head, Bert. You're exactly right.
And the finishing blow didn't make us wait long.
He has felt
Back comes Seldon. And Tyson with a left hook, and Seldon is down on his stomach. You
can't get one. You can't
buy one or learn one. Oh, forget it. He's wobbly.
Knockdown nga siya, nadaplisan lang siya sa ulo eh. Knockdown nga siya eh. Yun pang, anong solido ang tama.
And that's it. It's over in the first round.
Having not seen any glimpse of success, Tyson's next opponent had to let the press know he was of different cloth.
And this won't be an 89-second bout against Mike Tyson on November 4th.
I am no McNeely. I'm Buster Masters, and I can bring it to him.
Number 4, ranked.
Yung mga kalaban ni Tyson ba, yung trash talk ang galing, pero pag sa laban na, wow, undefeated pala to. Bagay to siya.
Undefeated heavyweight, confident of taking Mike's spot in no time.
Walk around a fighter like Mike Tyson. Don't be intimidated.
Parehas lang undefeated.
Since the very beginning of the fight, Buster tried to close off all the points of advantage for Mike and was constantly clinching to try and deprive Mike of the essential oxygen.
But you know, in those punches of that Peter McNeely fight, he's jumping in, jumping out, pressing Mike, staying inside. We'll see what happens when he gets hit, though.
Dinidikitan niya.
Every punch tomorrow.
Dinidikatin niya talaga si Mike, no, para hindi makasuntok ng maayos, no. Okay din tong strategy niya. Yan, no.
Just something he's not only not used to, but not as good at.
But amidst trying to win, Buster crossed the line.
Ginawa niya.
Yes.
Okay. Nilbat niya, bro.
But Tyson just waited for the moment. Next time the copycat kitten was a little too playful, Mike anticipatingly delivered a crushing blow to kick Bastard away from.
Grabe ng laruan ng boxing no. Talagang bakbakan talaga. Parang wala nang bukas ba? Grabe.
The throne.
Ayun na. Tapos na laban.
He didn't beat the count. Knockout Mike Tyson.
After the ill-fated accident, Mike Tyson was forced out of action for 2 years.
Yun yung kinagat niya yung tenga ni Holyfield ba yan? Tyson Holyfield, palang Holyfield dati. Kinagat niya. Nagkarambulan pa niya. Ito, yung mga pulis, tingnan nyo sa mga mukha ng mga pulis, gaano sila katakot. Sila pang natakot kay Mike. Grabe talaga ang aura nito ni Mike Tyson eh. Pulis na yan, ha. Sila pang takot, bro.
And having restored his license, Tyson was eager for a fight as soon as possible. The fight started, and immediately Botha constantly spiked Tyson's cortisol and just brazenly broke the rules.
Swing. That's more movement by Botha than I've seen in quite some time. He's standing outside. Said he was going to time Mike punching again.
Madaya talaga.
He's losing his cool. If he gets hit hard by Botha, he got into the streets of Brooklyn. Botha dancing around. He's toying with Tyson.
But in trying to poke the bear, Francois Botha found himself way too close to the beast.
Sobrang niya, bro. Sobrang dumi maglaro, bro. Grabe.
There's fire in Mike Tyson's eye. There's fire.
Just jabbed in and through. In the 11th round.
Not once. Now you go.
Until the very Tyson-style bomb landed right on its mark, and that was all she wrote.
Fighter when you can't get all punches.
Down goes Botha. That's all it took. One shot. He may not get up. Botha stumbling around. 8, 9.
Yung power talaga ni Mike eh. Pag natamaan ka ng isa, hindi ka.
Can he make it? It's over. It's over. Mike Tyson has returned. One right hand. That jab was big key for him when he was young.
Kahit sobrang dumi maglaro nung kalaban niya yun, nung na-knockdown, gusto pa niyang tulungan. Mabait rin si Mike Tyson sa mga kalaban niya, no? Kahit madumi maglaro ng mga kalaban.
Well, I was talking to him and telling him that, I was trying to psych him out, tell him, everybody's watching you. You gotta start fighting because you're losing.
And I said, white boy, I'm a can kill you. Listen, how many people you know could go in prison, come out and win a title, then take a 18 months, close to 2 years off, and come back and do sensational against the #2 world contender?
Can't name any right now.
All right, say that on television.
In his next fight, he was matched
Bad
against
boy talaga.
Polish bully Andrew Golota, notoriously the dirtiest heavyweight.
Nangangigat, nangangibat ng lulublo. Grabe to, ang dirty ng klaro. Ang dirty magboxing nito ah. Una, kinagat niya. Pangalawa, hinidbat niya. Tatlo, sinuntok niya sa yun oh. Naku po.
I wish your mother hit me low. Yeah, hit me low. I wish you do that. It's on like a mother.
Any other questions?
But listen, he's over there laughing. We're up here laughing. This is serious stuff. He won't be laughing Friday. This is very serious. This is very, very serious.
Composure under pressure. Here
Tyson immediately pressed forward.
a little soft in the belly too, Steve. Missed a few shots, but you can see there's some fear in his eyes.
Halatadong tensyonado yung kalaban niya, no? Parang ganun.
Until the hell was unwound.
Ayun na. Isang suntok lang bro. Tapos na ba?
Same right handed up in that cut, Steve. A flash
Wala na.
knockdown. He got up quickly.
And in the next round, hail of punches shook Rat's head from side to side.
Rights to the head. There's another right hand. Golot's chin withstanding that, but how much more can he take? Tyson again.
Just hear that big right hand got him all souped up. He's not bobbing and weaving behind the jab. He's bobbing.
Compare sa mga kalaban ni Mike, no? Ang height niya is maliit lang talaga, no? Ang height ni Mike Tyson kaysa mga nakalaban niya, pero sobrang tangke niya bro. Parang ang parang tangke talaga, maliit pero ako po.
Apparently, the heat overwhelmed Rat, and he reserved to fleeing the ship.
Ayaw niya.
I don't think he wants to go on. I don't think he wants to go on. He wants to quit.
Umayaw siya bro. Ayun.
Throw things at him after he quits at the end of 2 rounds. Oh, look at that.
Grabe, binato siya ng mga tao bro. Binato siya kasi ayaw niya nang lumaban. Pwede palang sa panahon ngayon, pag meron kang like the NBA, pag may binato kang ganito, kahit usap lang, hindi ka na, binaban ka na eh. Pero sila tinatapunan nila ng mga kung anong bagay, you know, inumin yan eh.
Oh my goodness.
Grabe.
Let's hope this doesn't really get out of Iron Mike
Grabe yung mga fans noon.
The last in our victim list is Clifford Etienne.
26 fights. And the Black Rhino get Tyson's respect.
Both fighters went hook for hook.
Tyson's going.
Matanda na si Tyson dito.
Tyson looking to end this on one punch, Steve. So is Etienne.
But the thing is, one was Mike Tyson and the other wasn't.
Oh, yun na.
A hardest right brought the fight to its closure in mere 50 seconds.
Iron Mike Tyson.
Parang nabali yung niya dun ah. Ito na. So yun na no. Na ang katapusan ng video. Grabe talaga tong si Mike Tyson bro. Sobrang nakakatakot. Sobrang lakas ng suntok. At yung aura niya bro, parang halimaw talaga eh. Grabe. So yun lang mga bro no. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe sa aking channel. So next video ulit mga bro.